Good night. My name is Juan José González Morales. Course Activity Task 3. I am from Barranca Bermeja. Road A3. Notification 915430 Activity question write with your own words. Or primary. 1. What do you understand by transmission line? They are systems for by 2.4 conductors which are separated by an insulator. Through these 2 points, an electronic signal in same way can by representation of a potential and a core. To define the following electric parameters of transmit light. Exercise example nets. Inflation, definition. 3. What is the cause of Smith led in the study of the propagation of watts? Being and Gauss representation in the Gauss plane of the reflection coefficient and the normalization. Thus avoid operations with complex numbers. Application exercise 1. Coaxial linea coaxial at the following characteristics. Parameters here. Next. Conductors, properties. Next. Properties of the insulator, collector. Next. Applying frequency. Notification. My 430. Next, calculate electricity parameter. Next, that forms implies in a form in form result. Next, calculate every rep calcular in the four variation. In the evaluation, in this way, the deducts in an evaluation result and evidence. Calculate the propagation velocity, the wavelength, and the attenuation. In the table, date in the result. Thank you.